Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use the AI image generation apps on the Canva app. Very easy guys, very simple. In our example over here we're going to use Magic Studio from Canva. Very easy, very simple. All you gotta do is to log in into your Canva account and then click on the upper left side of the screen, click on the three straight lines, launch the menu, and then click on Discover Apps. This is where we are right now. When you're over here on Discover Apps, you want to click on the search bar and you want to click on Magic Media. Okay, you want to select the first app over here, and then you want to scroll down and choose what type of project you want to work on. You can work on the brand new project or you can work on the existing one. In our example today, I'm going to show you how to create something from scratch. You're gonna be having this regular default section where you're gonna choose the dimensions and the aspect ratio of the content you want to create. This is very similar, if not the same, of any other Canva project when you start from scratch, so I assume you guys are already familiar with this. So if you scroll to the type of content we can create, there are many things that you should be aware of. Okay, every single piece of content, some of it might be a video, others could be a picture, right? The video is part of the beta version, which you can only access if you have the Canva Pro. So I think in this example, we're going to use the animated social media. So in this example over here, this is how the app works. You have to input your prompt in the box, and then you need to choose, if you want to, of course, a style in which the image will appear. Might be more cinematic, might be like a painting, like a photography, like a comic books, or something like a space looking image. Also, the aspect ratio is not always accurate. Like for example, we have the square image for like Instagram post, which is okay, but sometimes you need to adjust the aspect ratio. In the other videos we created a wallpaper and the default aspect ratio was again square. So you want to make sure that you always come down here and check the aspect ratio before you proceed. So we said in our example we're going to create animation character or animation post for Instagram, social media, for example. So we're going to ask, and we're going to input the prompt, create a super hero that lives in New York City, and his super power comes from I don't know, comes from what? Comes from the wind, and he lives at Empire State Building. Let's see. We might have some issues when we use like a famous names or like a brand. Sometimes the AI doesn't want to create something if you use like a brands like Porsche or Lamborghini. Okay, we do have two creations already. It looks like a Spider-Man with the Batman suit. I think the third one is very cool. The second one looks like a real comic hero. Let's see this one. This is like a real comics. So guys, remember, you can pull the corners of the image so you can adjust the size, and remember the quality will remain the same. Okay, I think this is very cool. I'm gonna be honest with you. Looks like a Robin in the Batman suit with the colors of a Spider-Man. Absolutely amazing. And I like the city. The city comic, it's very good. It's like a cartoon city in behind Empire State Building, right? I love it. I think it's very, very nice, guys. This is how you can create your own comics without any second thought. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.